viewers, I'm back with another amazing recipe. Today I will show you guys how to make chicken vegetable rice. Very easy recipe. We need few ingredients. I have some carrots and some bell pepper, green color. You can add more vegetables if you like. And I have cabbage, little bit, and garlic and ginger. Rice obviously because we are making chicken vegetable rice. And I have a medium sized onion right here and one size chopped tomato and shredded chicken. Let's see how our recipe is. So guys, I'm adding oil in the pot. I'm gonna add our onions. Fry them real well until nice golden brown. So guys, our onions are nicely golden brown. Now I'm gonna add our tomato, ginger and garlic. Mix it up real good. Salt according to the taste. Crushed red chilies, black pepper. You can add spices according to your taste. Mix it good. So guys, for more taste I'm adding chicken soup stock. It's optional. It's tasty without it also, but I'm gonna use chicken soup stock. It's gonna add more flavor to our चिकन वेजिटेबल. हमारा मसाला भुन चुका है. अब हम इसमें श्रेडेड चिकन ऐड करेंगे और फ्राई. So guys, we're gonna add our carrots, our vegetables, carrots and bell pepper. I'm gonna add cabbage later because otherwise it's gonna get real soft. Already looking nice, guys. You can chop the carrots and vegetables, I mean any type of vegetables in short chunks also, but I like it this way. Now we're gonna add our rice. So guys, as I have previously lightly boiled the rice for 5 minutes, so I'm not gonna add too much water, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my cabbage on top and then cover it. Okay. And if you're gonna try my recipe, believe me, it's gonna be tasty, real good, very easy and very quick to make. Guys, I'm adding little bit water, not much, otherwise our vegetables will be real soft and they will merge in our rice. Then we're gonna add our cabbage. It's optional, guys. You can add chickpeas also, you can add green peas also. And I like to add a little bit cabbage, not much. So as I have added garlic and onion, so it won't give you any gas, so don't worry about it. So guys, I'm gonna add cumin ताकि हम इसके ऊपर दम लगाएंगे. ठीक है, मैं ज़ीरा इस्तेमाल करती हूँ दम लगाने के लिए राइस के ऊपर. इसका टेस्ट बहुत मज़े का होता है. So I'm adding cumin on top, then I'm gonna cover it on a low flame and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that our dish will be ready. So guys, finally हमारे chicken vegetable rice जो हैं वो ready हो गए हैं. मैं अभी आपको dish out करके. So guys, finally our chicken vegetable rice are ready, looking so yummy and tasty. I hope you guys have enjoyed my today's recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Till now, God bless you all. Take care.